If you want to take a macro photo on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then first of all, of course, we need to open the camera. And then over here in the photo mode, we should be able to find the dedicated macro mode over here. You can just tap on this flower, and then you will activate the macro mode. And then you should be able to keep the camera close to the subject that you want to take picture of, and then you can take the photo. So let's see if we can take a pretty decent photo. There we go. And this is how it looks like. And of course you might see that the shadow is kind of ruining it, so you might want to try to, of course, different angles and such. But what you can also do is, instead of using the dedicated macro mode, you can also use the normal mode, so without the macro, and then you can use a little bit of zoom. Of course, in that case you want to keep the distance between the subject and your camera, but then of course you can try to keep it closer and closer until the focus is still there, and then if you manage to find the perfect spot, you should be able to take the photo just like that. And this is also another method that allows you to take a pretty good macro photo. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.